What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $5,000 this week automating this virtual assistant business, which you set and forget, and it will automate this for you and pay you a lifetime without actually putting in any effort. So all you need to do is set this up once, and it will be automated for lifetime, as other people are going to be doing the work for you. It is completely free traffic. We're not going to be buying any ads or any paid traffic. You don't need any experience to do this. All you need is a PC or even your phone if you want to. This video and watching it until the end, and you don't even need social media or a website to do this. It's actually really easy. It's one of my favorite videos that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel for quite some time now, and you can get unlimited traffic potential from this, as we are actually going to be using suburbs and cities from around the world. And of course, we know there's thousands of cities and probably millions of suburbs around the world, so there is so much potential traffic from this. And all this information that I'm going to be showing you today, I've learned from a $197 course which I paid for, and now it's here completely for free on YouTube. And I'm able to do that is because I'm not copying and pasting this video from the course. I'm creating my own version of it with influence from it, which is completely allowed. There's a big difference between copying and influence. I'm also going to give you this entire done for you script over here that literally automated my business for me. So make sure to watch this until the end so that you can go and see how to go and copy and paste that. And I just quickly want to show you some of my results from this. Over here is one of the examples I was using for this virtual assistant business. There's many that you can actually go and use, but this is just the one I used. So over here in the past 14 days, I had over 1,024 clicks, over 56 successful referrals, and a total earned commission of $5,145 and $201 pending today. Over here, you can see more or less what you're going to get rewarded. So you get $25 for the third paying customer you refer, and this is where you make the big money, is 20% recurring commissions on all paid subscriptions forever, for lifetime. So that's every single month. All of this income is built up by people that have referred a month, 2 months ago, and it just starts to grow and grow more. And the more and more subscriptions you get in this virtual assistant business, which you don't even have to do, your income's only going to go up even more, because this is a true passive income method. So a lot of those motivational speakers that say passive income does not exist, this is a strategy where it does actually exist, and I'm proving it right here. All of these businesses over here, you can go and automate using a virtual assistant business. Now have a look at this. You've got Right For Me, which is a content marketing strategy company. You're going to get $500 for every successful referral and customer. Moxtra, which is a one-stop client interaction hub, modernized client interaction workflow with a digital portal. You will earn anywhere between $100 and $500 per customer that you purchase. And this entire marketplace has thousands of businesses that you can go and use in your virtual assistant business to go and make all sorts of commission and revenue online. In the video today, I'm going to show you how you can go and access all of this, unlock all of these, and really make money with any one of these. You can go and choose any one of these. And the ones you want to go for is all of these over here that have a free trial, because we're going to be using that in our virtual assistant business as a hook to get all of these referrals. It's important that you choose the ones with free trials. Let me go and find an example over here. Here's a good example. You will earn $30 for every customer that you refer just completes the free trial. They don't even need to purchase their product, and they just need to do the trial, and you're going to get paid $30. So this is the kind of programs we are looking for to go and use this as a hook for our virtual assisting business. To come over to this website over here, make sure to keep watching. I will reveal it just in a bit, but it's super important that you follow with this. Over here, we can go and click on login on the top right. In order to get access and unlock all of these platforms over here, we need to come over to this website, and I'm going to reveal it in a bit, but it's super important that you keep watching with me. This is a website where you can get access to a marketplace over here of tons of different companies promoting their different affiliate programs. Now, I'm going to show you how I built a virtual assisting business to automate all of these affiliate marketing programs. So we can go and click on the marketplace on the top right, click on Explore Marketplace, and over here you will see all the different companies that you can go and use to make money from this. You can see you can scroll down pretty much forever. So there's really a lot of income potential for this. On the bottom left of your screen, there's going to be a big sign up button. Open this in a new tab. Over here, let's click on sign up. And you just want to enter your email over here, or you can sign in with your Google account. Once you've signed in, your dashboard's going to look something like this. Again, just come back to the marketplace over here. Okay, I just need to re-sign in as I logged out. And the specific one that you want to go and find is called Add You need over here, it looks like this. So you will earn 30% revenue sharing for every transaction and bring more users and get rewards of up to $4,500. That's a lot of money for just one referral. You can go and click on the unlock button over here, and then it will take you to a dashboard where you can go and grab your affiliate link, which will take you to the home page that looks like this. And this is the super important part, the 7-day free trial, because this is what we're going to be using as the hook for our product. So this is a marketing platform that helps you create and optimize ads in minutes so you can focus on what really matters. So in a nutshell, this is a tool that will help businesses ranked on the second, third, fourth, whatever page Google goes to get them onto the first page of Google. Now, obviously, businesses listed on the second, third page are missing out on more than 90% of clicks, searches, and potential clients through the door of their business. I also feel that this is one of the best programs to go and use on this entire marketplace over here, as their whole marketing strategy with their free trial, the landing page is definitely one of the best quality and converts the best with the most signups. And it's such an easy tool to use. You get an entire dashboard where you can go and generate ads for Instagram, Facebook, Google over here as well. You can create an ad, Canva accounts over here. You can retarget existing audience. There's all sorts of features that you need to really go and rank your business on the top pages of Google. And have a look at this. It's great for SMB startups, e-commerce brands, marketing agencies, for any real businesses around the world. This tool fits perfectly for our product. And over here, this is the important part, what you're going to go and earn. Starter package at $50 a month, $100 a month for the ultimate package, and $250 a month for the business package. And you will get a monthly commission for the rest of your life for every person that you refer to. This specifically 30% revenue every single month, and bring more users, and you can actually get a bonus reward of $4,500 once off as well. So that is a huge affiliate program with this, a lot of potential to make a lot of money from this. And while you're busy waiting for your affiliate link, we can go and start with the strategy so that you can be all set up and ready to go once you've got your affiliate link. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to Google and you'll want to search any business niche with any city. So you want to go and replace the business niche, for example, chiropractor, doctor, fitness center, dentist, clothing shop, accountants, financing firms, you name it, and then the city name. For example, Dubai, New York, Chicago. There's so many different cities that you can go and use. If you want help, you can come over to Google and type in most popular types business niches. Click on enter. And over here you can see pets, self-improvement, wealth building, make money on the internet, beauty treatments, fitness, and weight loss. So let's go, for example, search over here. We can go gym in Dubai and click on enter. And over here you can see, for example, we've got Restart Fitness Center, Gym Nation, Snap Fitness. And what we want to go and do is we want to scroll all the way down. All of these people listed on the first page of Google, they don't matter. They're already on the first page of Google. We want to come over here and click on the second page of Google. So here you will see there's 51 gym in Dubai, CrossFit gym, FTG, the functional training gym, Phytox gym, Dubai, UAE, the gym 5 Palm, Jumeirah, Gravity Calisthenics, gym Dubai. So all of these businesses over here are listed on the second page of Google. Now, based on past experiences, these people are at least missing out on about 95% of potential searches, traffic, clicks, and clients through the door of their gyms or / businesses. Because 95% of people that do a Google search will not even come over to page 2. So our goal is to help these businesses completely for free and get them listed on the first page of the business. And I'm going to show you how we're going to go and automate this with a virtual assisting program. So we don't need to go and message each and every one of these businesses. We're actually going to have a virtual assistant do all of this for us. And this is where the beauty of automation comes into. So we can go and open up any one of these businesses. Let's just go and open up this page over here. And here you can see really good page over here. They've even got a free day pass. So this is a good business to really get clients through the door of their business. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and give them the opportunity completely for free to go and list on the top page of Google. So it benefits us, as the affiliate program over here is going to be paying us, and this business is getting more traffic, more clicks, getting ranked on the first page of Google, and getting more clients through the door of their business. So as you can see, it's a win-win for everybody. We're going to go and start using this template over here that I created for you guys, but we can go and actually automate this entire template with the virtual assisting program. So it goes sort of like this. This is the email that you're going to go and send over to them over here on the contact us page. So here you can see they've left a number. Perhaps they have an email. Let's just have a look if they have an email, because this website doesn't have an email. It's very few times that will happen. Just go and open up another page. It really doesn't matter. So for example, this page over here. Let's come over to contact, and here you can see is an email. So this is perfect. So all we do is we click on the email, and you want to send them something like this. Subject: your business is qualified, take reward of $250. The body goes like this: dear customer. So you're going to replace this customer name with the name of this business. So this would be over here, 51 Gym AE. My name is, you can put your name, I'm contacting you with great news. You have been qualified as one of just 10 companies in the UAE Dubai area from 2000 in the city name, which is Dubai, area with free access to our advertising engine ad you need for Google, Instagram, and Facebook. Your business was picked because of its high quality services, which is obviously gym services and great reviews. We noticed you were sitting on the second page of Google and you are missing out on a ton of clients coming through the door of your business. From our experience, this may lead to a 96% decrease in gaining new potential clients using Google search when not listed on the first page of Google. In Ad You Need, you are able to use our free services and we can guarantee that you'll be listed on the first page of Google. Gym51 got our attention and we would like to reward you with free access to our software to get more customers to increase your revenue. If interested, please click on this link to claim your free access. If there are any questions or concerns, I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. In this case, contact me and you're just going to put your email over here, best regards, and you can put your name over here. So this is a perfect template that really converts. If you keep watching with me, I'm going to show you how you can go and download this off the Google Drive. And now for the best part, where you can go and automate this with a virtual assistant. So we can come over to fiverr.com, we can type in virtual assistant, click on the first drop down over here, and here you can go and pay people. Let me just put this into United States dollars. You can go and pay people anywhere between 10, 20, 30, I would say anywhere between $10 and $30 to go and be your virtual assistant, to go and automate this entire system for you to bring in daily and weekly and monthly passive income. I've also created a virtual assistant script for you guys, which is the instructions that you will go and send to your virtual assistant on Fiverr, and this is where the automation part comes in. So your virtual assistant will do the following steps. Step 1, go to google.com. Step 2, search for all types of businesses and niches followed by city names. So for example, business niche city name would be Accountant New York. They can also go and Google the top 1000 cities of the world. Step 3 would be to create a spreadsheet and list 50 to 100 businesses with their name, the business name, email address, and their social media. Step 4, get information about the business. So for example, what service or product they offer, about all of the businesses. Step 5, use the templates above to email all of the businesses with your affiliate link. So that would be this template over here above. Highlight all the communication business owners in the spreadsheet and send it back to your email. So they will send to you all the businesses that replied, highlight it on that spreadsheet and send it to you. All of them have been messaged. You've done none of the hard work. Your virtual assistant has done all of this for you. So as you can see, this is a set and forget one-time setup business that will bring in passive income. And remember, this affiliate program will be paying you for lifetime. And there's no limit to the amount of virtual assistants that you can go and use. You can go and use 3 to 4 virtual assistants at the same time to 4 times speed up the process, reach out to 4 times more businesses around the world, and potentially 4 times your revenue. So there's really no limit with this. There's so many people on here that really charge hardly anything. I mean, $5 to be your virtual assistant for Word, Excel, web research. So this guy's perfect over here. I mean, just for $5, he's got 5-star reviews, over 141 total reviews, obviously all rated 5 stars. I mean, $5 is really not that much, as this program is going to pay you way more in return. So I really recommend go and use something like this. If you want to go and download these Google documents over here, all I would appreciate is leave a like, comment down below that you're ready. Make sure you're following this channel with the red notification bell on. I will leave the link down below on the pinned comment. So go to the top comments. I will leave both links to this Google documents over here. I'm going to help you out even more by giving you my entire trading course completely for free. It's a free YouTube course. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. You can go click on that link over here. There's about 11 videos in this course, and this will teach you how I read the markets and pull out about $1,000 a day from the Forex market. So this is my full-time thing that I'm busy with over here now. So you're welcome to go and click on this playlist over here. Use some of the revenue that you perhaps make from this and turn it even into more revenue. So go and click on this link over here and I'll see you over there.